How to hard reset iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and Pro Max. Step 1. Start by opening iTunes and connecting your phone to the computer using the cable. Step 2. Afterward, choose the Smartphone tab within the app. Step 3. Select the Restore iPhone option to move forward. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.